you see it. You getting there, man. You getting there. You'll be alright. One day at a time, baby. One day at a time. What's up, fam? So, I'm on my way to the gym right now. Quick little walk. About to get my squat workout in. Today I got all squats, nothing crazy. So we're gonna start with a 4x6 at about 65-70%. And then we're gonna drop down to a 3x4, probably at about 80%. We'll see. I'm not really exactly sure. I kind of figure it out as I go. And I'll take you guys through the full workout. It's gonna be a full squat progression. Get in, knock out maybe about 7 to 10 sets of squats, and then get out. It's my, this is how I treat my third squat day each week. Just get in, get pure squats in, nothing else. Whether it's for power, hypertrophy, or strength, and then get out. So, should be fun. It's always nice to just do some squats and then be able to leave, but it's also very taxing on the nervous system doing that too. So, you know, gotta knock it out, take care of my business, go back home. Usually I train fasted, but I've been feeling really hungry lately. My appetite's been crazy up and my metabolism is super fast right now. So I got a little banana just to kind of make it through in case I need it, or it might come in handy today. Also, I've been trying to follow the vertical diet as much as possible, and that's been great. That's been amazing. Energy levels are great. Digestion is great. I'm always hungry, which is the one thing that sucks, but I never get bloated, never really get cramped up, always feel ready to perform. So it's been amazing. I've actually gained about 15 pounds since I was sick. Around New Year's Eve in the new year. So getting that 10 to 15 pounds back feels amazing. So just a matter of keeping it up. And I'm actually starting to lean out now. So, you know, one step at a time, y'all. But I'll see you guys in a little bit once I make it to 24, all right? Peace. What's going on, y'all? So I just got finished warming up for my top set. Today I'm gonna do a 3x4 at about RPE 8. So today I got 315 pounds on the bar. So should be an easy 3x4. After a few weeks and after being sick, squats are finally starting to feel comfortable. So 225 felt the best it's felt in a while. So hopefully you get an easy 3x4. 315 pounds. Let's get it. Alright, so that first set felt pretty good. It felt like pretty much like an RPE 8, but I am going to try to hit a little bit more depth here. So we got 2 more sets to go. And the goal is to hit same 4 reps, but just a tad bit more depth there. So let's get it. Alright, so I just knocked out by my 3x4. Went pretty well, had about 87.5%. Now I'm gonna back off to a 4x6 at about 80%, just over 80% with 295. My focus here is to hit depth every single rep, every single set for all 24 reps. So I'm not really worried about the crazy strength portion here, but really focused on trying to get definitely past parallel, still be able to drive up for all 6 reps. So let's get it. Got set 1. And we got 3 more after that. But squats is coming back, baby. They coming back. Let's get it. Just got done with the 4x6, so workout is finished now. My lower back is fucking tight, man. Whew. I haven't done sets like that on squats in a while. My lower back, definitely feeling it. But overall, workout was good. I know I could push harder, but I didn't really force it since I'm still kind of like working my way back into things. Sometimes the best progress comes from not one like incredibly amazing workout, but from stringing together a bunch of consecutive, pretty good workouts over a course of time. And that's usually gonna give you the most bang for your buck. So I'm focusing on staying in the game. I wanna go 1 full year. Since I've really been at it and going like intense, I wanna go just 1 full year, no injuries. So I'm hoping this year, 2020, is the year I'm able to do that. Because every time, man, I get so much progress. I get like crazy amounts of progress. And I'm literally, people are telling me, man, you should do this, you should do a powerlifting meet, you should do a bodybuilding show, whatever it is. Because my genetics are decent. And as soon as I get there, as soon as I'm really about to hit that next level from where I've been at, boom, injury happens, come crashing down. So I'm trying to go all year, perfecting my form on things, perfecting my ability to produce at a high intensity every single workout, and just perfecting, diet, nutrition, recovery, mobility, form, intensity, strength. Like, I want to perfect as many things or as get close to perfection as possible, barring injury. So that's my number one goal this year, is to not get hurt. So I'm taking everything slow. Everything's gonna be more light and more strung together over time versus what can I do today, what can I do this week. So yeah, still gonna keep the intensity high. You know me, overtraining all day. So the intensity will forever be high, but the goal is to not get hurt over everything else. So great workout today. If you guys like to see just straight up workouts like this, no partner, no nothing, just what I'm gonna be doing and how I do it, simple stuff, leave a like, leave a comment, keep supporting as always, subscribe, and you'll be able to see more of this in the future. All right, so love y'all, appreciate y'all, stay rare, stay real, always be ready, not prepared. Love y'all, peace.